Hello everyone, we're at the Moot Court of Brainware University today, and you might be curious why. It's because we have big news. 3 students from the Department of BA LLB program has clinched the second runner-up position at the prestigious 4th Moot Court Competition hosted by Vivekananda Global University, Jaipur, where 56 prestigious law institutions also came to participate and compete. My first question is to you, Sanit. What was the experience like when you first got into the competition? There were 56 academic law institutions that came together to compete. How did you feel? Were you nervous, excited?
Yes, ma'am. It was a great experience. This was a huge opportunity for us since we are in second year, and we got a chance to compete with those 8 colleges over there. 56 colleges participated from all over India. We got to learn so many things from them. They were seniors from us. They had more knowledge, and we were able to utilize their knowledge as well in our arguments. The judges were there, they were very much humble. They made us learn new things, how to argue, how to present questions. In Moot Court, we always think that it is about argument, how we convince the judge. But sometimes we have to do negotiations, and this few things which we have learned from there was great. And it was a great experience. We have learned many things.
Okay, and Sushma, what do you think was the key to your success in this competition?
Key to our success was first our confidence from the first that we will achieve something. We are going there, we will achieve something. And the second thing, that the judges who has given us a feedback, we utilize them for our improvement and our growth and our passion for our subject matters, which was very interesting for us. And we did our best from the first to the last.
Okay, and Sushavan, did you get any help during the preparation when you're going to the competition? Did you get any help from the faculty members here at Brainware University?
Yes, ma'am. Firstly, I'm very much immensely grateful to the School of Law, Brainware University, for giving this unwavering support. And I'm very much grateful heartily to our Dean Sir, Dr. Ramchandra Sir, who has done immense work for us. And I'm very much grateful for some of our prestigious and distinguished faculty members like Papia ma'am and Thomas sir. With the invaluable guidance and the support, they have taught us what is the art of litigation, and they have made us feel the real exposure of our courtrooms. If we go on searching on some of these legal cases and dive onto some cases from the legal past precedents. So their guidance and their valuable feedback, everything helped us in this Moot Court and shaping us out of this. And I also recommend that some of our fellow members, like the law students, they should also come up and participate in such law schools and this Moot Court competition, such that they also become a real exposure to how they can litigate in the real courtrooms. So this is what I got from it.
Right, and my final question to all 3 of you, what are your future goals?
Ma'am, firstly, I'm a law student, dedicated law student, but after passing out from that, I will be looking for a judicial service examinations. And I'll be sitting as a judge and serve this country as a judge. My strong interest lies in the criminal law, most profoundly, and I think that I can delve into this and I can provide something better out of this into the criminal justice system.
What about you, Sushma?
Actually, I am still exploring that what field I will choose in the future.
Okay.
And I am also a dedicated law student, and I hope I can do something in the future for our agreed parties in place.
Okay, and you?
Advocacy is very much important for me, and I'm very much dedicated to that. I want to do social welfare for people, addressing criminal problems in our society. Still, our society is facing different social problems, and I want to execute them, utilizing my advocacy skills.
All right, wonderful. Congratulations to you all. I hope you all go on to achieve many more things. And next time when we speak, you will be speaking to me as champions, right?
Sure.
Thank you.